Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are going to do an unboxing of our Nailed Dips sub bag. I got the mini. There's a mini plus. So the mini is $10. It comes with 3 little sample size dips that are exclusive. They do play off the Golden Girls collection, which I will show that here in a minute. And then it also comes with a 180-100 grip file. Ignore these dips. They came in my ambassador package that was packed with these. A cuticle oil, which I believe that scent is exclusive to the bag, so it's not released on the site. And then there is a mini plus option. I think I already said. So this one is $10. There's a mini plus, which is $25. It comes with mini dip liquids, a sample glitter. Oh, there we go. There's the picture of the whole collection. It also comes with midi rings. And then there is a mini, which is 1/4 ounce jars, and that is $20. And then there's a mini plus that comes with the mini liquids, the midi rings, and a sample glitter. So those are the options. Her store is linked because I am an ambassador, so it's linked in my description. And also, I will also link one of the sub bag options because there is still some available. The mini one is sold out. But this is a great way to sample her dips. I mean, $10 for this is a great deal. And you can always use my code, which is Jill15. This cuticle oil is so good. I think it has hints of pineapple. By now, you guys know I am horrible at describing scents. I'm horrible at describing anything. It is, I don't know why. I'm just not good at it. But yes, this is a great, so these dips are exclusive. They do not go on the site, but they do play off that collection. So we are going to show the swatches here. They're so good. So here are the 4 that came with it. And I believe it usually comes with 3, but this month it came with 4. I'm not sure why. I mean, if I knew, I would tell you guys, but I don't know. That's okay. So those 3 that I just showed are what I'm going to use. I am going to do color blocking and striping tape. Yay. And I don't know, this mani just turned out so, like, I wish I was like going somewhere fancy. In fact, when my mom saw it, she's like, oh, is Mark's my boyfriend. She's like, is he taking you to dinner or something? And I was like, no, why? And she's like, your nails are so fancy. I was like, oh, okay, yeah. No, I just wanted to use this sub bag, and these are the colors that came with it. I mean, they're absolutely stunning, gorgeous. I love them. So we are doing 1 full layer of this color, which I don't remember what it is. Hold on. I love how I say hold on like you guys even know I'm gone. Anyway, this is thank you for being a friend. So I did the first layer, I let it dry, and then now I'm doing the second layer, and I'm just kind of hand placing some of these heart glitters and some of the foils that come in it. They're so cute. And then I will lay my finger flat for to pick up the rest. I just wanted to make sure I really picked up some of these hearts, had them placed on the nail. This is just, I think this is probably, I'm pretty sure this one's my favorite color out of the sub bag options. This color is rose. It is just a fine gold glitter, super pretty again. So the first layer I'm going to I'm going to lay it over. I'm going to pour over. And then the second layer, I will lay my finger flat into it just to pick up all those fine glitter pieces. I am kind of cutting some of the stuff out that I normally leave in, like the going around my cuticles. It's just, the video was long, and I had to kind of make sacrifices just to keep it at a, watchable pace, because I don't want people to not watch it because it's, 30 minutes long. So now I'm putting my striping tape on. I did put this on the wrong way, which I did not realize that until I went to do my middle finger. And then I was like, oh, I don't want it like that, because I wanted the glitter. The tip is going to be the glitter. The bottom is going to be the solid. And I wanted the glitter facing the glitter nail, if that makes any sense at all. I hope it does. So I believe I fixed the tape off camera, but either way, I put the tape the wrong direction, so I have to fix that. So on these, okay, and then on my thumb, I'm going to do a, oh gosh, vertical line across. Does that make sense? I think so. If not, you can see what I'm doing. So if I said it wrong, I'm sorry. This is white wig. It is a solid, you would think it's a white, but it's not. I mean, it looks white in the jar, but it goes on a creamy color. It's actually super pretty. So I'm going to do my first layer on the pinky and the middle finger. I'm not sure if I leave the second layer in. It's the same thing, so hopefully I don't, but maybe I left it in. I'm not sure. If I did, you'll see. So once I do that first layer, I take the tape off immediately, and then when I go in to do the second layer, I just trace the line and try not to go into the area where I don't have the dip and I want to put the other dip. I did just kind of show you that my brush has barely any liquid on it. Like, I wipe it so good that there's just enough to like coat my nail, but I don't want to get the liquid everywhere. So, and then my thumb, I'm going to do the 2 glitters, which it didn't really turn out. I kind of wish I would have used the solid on the thumb too, but it's fine. It's still very pretty. I used the rose and then the no, what is that? Shoot, I don't remember. I told you guys earlier. Go back and look if you want to know. I forgot. I do leave my second layer in. So I'm going to wrap up the pinky and the middle finger, and then I'm going to do the thumb. I'm going to let you guys watch, and I will be back when we get into the striping tape. Just so you guys know, I did not I clear capped every nail, and then activated, filed, and buffed all that off camera, just to kind of shorten this down. But I do clear cap, I do activate, and then file and buff. So I'll be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Okay, we are just wrapping up our second layer of the glitter dip that we're putting at the tips of all these nails. So basically, first coat, I just sprinkle over, pour over, whatever you want to call it. And then the second one, I hand place a few of the foils and the hearts, and then I just lay my finger flat to pick up the rest. I still am so obsessed with how pretty this dip is and how good it turned out. So in just a second, I'm going to show you where we're at after we, you know what, I wonder if I did leave the, I guess we're about to see together whether I left it in. Anyway, I wanted to let you guys know that I will link the sub bag. I will link one of the options. It will take you to all of the options. Oh yeah, okay, so no clear cap. I mean, I did clear cap, but I didn't show it. We're all filed and buff now. But I will link that. I will also link the whole Golden Girl collection. Again, these dips are not in it. They just play off of it. So we are going to get into the striping tape. We're going to do the thumb first. I have my tweezers. I have my cuticle nippers, which I use to cut off the ends, which you'll see here in a second. It is super windy and I have my door open. So if you see my nail mat flying around, that's why. It's just super windy out. So basically, I'm just going to cut off a piece that is long enough and place it. And I don't have anything down. This is just on top of my filed and buffed nail. We'll get to how I encapsulate this afterwards. Anyway, so it sticks. This is the iGel Beauty, which if it was like striping tape off Amazon, I probably wouldn't have used it. This is really the only striping tape I'll use, and I stock up when they have their dollar sales, but it's not even that expensive otherwise, so I highly recommend it. I think they're having a 60% off sale right now, so that'd probably be a good time if you wanted to grab some. But yeah, this striping tape is so good. It's really sticky, and it's really easy to use. Obviously, as you can see, I'm not really struggling that much at all. So I'm doing 2 lines, like a thicker line right at the color block part, and then another like little skinny line right underneath that. I feel like you guys can see what I'm doing and I'm just being repetitive, but gotta say something, right? So yeah, we're almost done. We're about to wrap up this part. I will say that I thought, and I hadn't tried it before, and don't do it because it did not work, but I thought I could just go in with my activator and top coat right on top of this. You cannot. So I took it out because I had to redo all the striping tape for a second time. I had to file it all off. It was fun. It was so much fun. It wasn't fun. So I thought I could activate and then just boom, wipe top coat. Well, I activated, everything was looking okay. I was like, oh, okay, I got away with it. And then I waited my 2 minutes, and then I went to wipe off with a lint-free wipe and swipe solution. And the second I did that, the tape color went goodbye. Like the gold, they were no longer gold. They were silver, basically. I was pretty unhappy. So what I'm doing here is I am basically encapsulating in a layer of base coat. So I'm not clear capping. I do not want any bulk added to these. They were perfect. So I'm just putting a layer of base coat on top of them, letting it dry, and then I will go in and activate and top coat. So when I do that here in just a second, because I'm not going to make you guys wait the 5 minutes it took for this to dry. Sorry. Got a little tickle in my throat. But when I do that, you will notice that I'm not top coating the 2 solid glitter nails. And that's because when I tried that activator and top coat trick, I had top coated the glitter nails already. I wasn't going to file those off to redo that. That just seemed unnecessary. So I've already top coated those nails. Now I'm top coating all the glitter nails, all the color block nails. Man, my brain, sometimes it's not early. I want to say it's early. It's really not that early, but whatever. My brain's not functioning very well today. So yes, that just doing a layer of dip base coat, and you could use you know, if you use gel, a layer of gel base coat would encapsulate these just fine. I don't use gel. We all know that. Unless you're new, then you don't know that. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks for being here. I hope you stick around and subscribe and like the video and hit the notification bell. That would be super awesome, and I would really appreciate it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this, and if you like it. I hope you do. I do believe that I had a little snafu with my recording of my cuticle oil. I thought I was recording. I wasn't. I don't think that it's, you know, you guys are going to cry about not seeing me put my cuticle oil on. I don't even know how many of you guys stick around to watch that part. So as soon as I'm done with this second layer of top coat, then I'm going to show you the little close-up video that I do at the end of all my videos. And then there's some pictures at the end. And then we are done, and I'm out of here till the next one. So I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know by hitting that like button or leaving a comment, or both. I'm happy with both. Both would be great. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3,